I became chartered accountant because of CA Shirish Vyas sir. Hello friends, my name is Amol Choudhary and I stay in Pune along with my family. My family consists of my parents, my wife Dr. Varsha, who is a psychological counselor, and two school-going daughters. In the recently held May 2024 CA final examination, I secured 47 marks in direct taxes and international taxation paper, cleared my group 2 and became a chartered accountant at the age of 50. As you are aware, see, direct taxes and international taxation subject is ocean-like. Now our institute has published study material consisting of 4 voluminous modules. Also there are books by old authors like Vinod Gupta sir, Ahuja Gupta, T.N. Manoharan, and of course Singhania. But the thing is that although these books are wonderful, it becomes very difficult to complete them, let alone retention. Now, there are some new age authors also who have come up with concise notes. But the thing is that while reading them, you always are in a doubt whether they are comprehensive or not. They have also brought up question banks, which are again very bulky, and it becomes very difficult to cover all the questions. So I was in a dilemma how to proceed for my direct taxes preparation for CA final. So one day I went to a bookstore and my eyes fell on this book. This is original notes by CA Shirish Vyas sir, who is a Mumbai based faculty. I browsed through this book and I was very impressed. See, it has a wonderful font. The presentation is awesome. It has charts, it has mnemonics. It is concise but also comprehensive and without compromise. As I started studying this, I realized that it has one more very important feature. It creates a photogenic memory in your mind which makes retention very easy. Along with this book comes this practice manual. This is a question bank only, tiny. What sir has done is that instead of making you solve 20 different questions from a particular topic, he has created or crafted few questions, 2 3 questions on each topic, covering all the possible adjustments. For example, there is a master problem of PGBB covering all the adjustments which could possibly be asked in CA final exam. As I was studying this, I became curious and I searched YouTube if there was any lecture of sir available. And yes, there was a tedious lecture, and as I went through it, I again was very impressed because sir has a very unique teaching style. So immediately I purchased his pen drive lectures, and along with these books, I started studying with those pen drive lectures. I noticed that sir has a very unique, different accent. His English is very different, meaning that it is very enjoyable. And for me personally, it was a very engaging and enriching experience learning with him. Sir has also uploaded on YouTube important question solving sessions which are freely available, and nothing will be asked in the examination which is not covered in those question solving sessions. Now, on the day of my examination, after the 3 hour exam got over, I had a big smile on my face because I knew that I will pass comfortably, and that is what exactly happened. See, sir has 27 years of experience, and who benefits by that experience? We as students benefit because sir knows what is the trend of the examination, what type of questions will be asked. He knows what are the keywords which the examiner is searching in the answer sheet of students. See, in direct taxes, there are sections, subsections, clarifications, interpretation, practical applications in the form of questions asked, case laws on that particular section. Now, sir, because of experience, he knows what part of that section will be asked in the examination and what will not be asked. And he emphasizes that in his teaching, and we benefit from that. Sir always gives two advices, that one is to complete his book thoroughly, and if you want more knowledge, then you can read other books only after completing his book by heart. Another advice is that to do theory thoroughly, theory based on which questions are asked, problems are asked. If the theory is well prepared, it becomes easy to handle the problem which are asked in the examination. Sir is also very punctual. He is never late in his face-to-face batches as well as on YouTube sessions. He is so passionate about his teaching and very committed. But his commitment is not confined to himself alone. It is contagious, meaning we as a student get infected by that commitment and we change. And as we change, our CA journey also changes in a very positive manner. Sir has also a very great technical support team, so we never face any problems. Sir has also delivered motivational talks. Now, these are very short talks, and the things which he has said, you have never heard them before, and it inspires you so much. I am very thankful to Sir for the services he is rendering to the CA student community. Personally, I am very grateful because of him, I passed tough subject like direct taxes, created interest in that. So I am very thankful to Shirish Vyas sir. See, I will tell you one thing. If you love a teacher, you will love the subject. And if you love the subject, then it is very easy to pass. Thank you for listening. Wish you all the best.